Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue, how a rainbow forms, or why we don't float off the Earth? Welcome to the amazing world of physics. Introduction. Hello, young scientists. Welcome to Mind Over Physics. Today, we're going to explore the basics of physics, the science that helps us understand how everything around us works. What is physics? Physics is the study of matter, what things are made of, and energy, what makes things happen. It helps us understand the rules that govern the universe, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. Why is physics important? Physics explains how and why things move, the nature of light and sound, and the principles behind electricity and magnetism. It's the foundation for many technologies we use daily, like smartphones, cars, and even the internet. Funny example. Why did the physics teacher break up with the biology teacher? Because there was no chemistry. Interesting fact. Did you know that light can travel around the Earth 7.5 times in 1 second? That's because light travels at an incredible speed of about 299,792 kilometers per second. Conclusion. Physics is everywhere, helping us understand the wonders of our world. By learning physics, we can appreciate the science behind everyday phenomena and the technology we rely on. Thanks for watching Mind Over Physics. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting physics adventures.